Hi guys, today on She Cooks It All, we are going to make this delicious creamy black beans. This is the best way to cook black beans if you love black beans, so stick around and be inspired. Hey guys, let's go make my pantry essential dinner. I have my cans here for those days where I don't have time and I need a quick dinner. So let's go. I'm gonna make black beans today. So we're gonna need black beans. We're gonna need the coconut cream, the tomato, and the veggie stock. So let's grab those and let's go cook. Okay, so to cook, we are going to heat up some oil on a medium heat, and then we are going to add in, once it's nice and hot, we're going to add in our diced onion and saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. And once the onion is sauteing on the side there, we're going to prep the rest of the ingredient. So we are going to start off with ginger and garlic and mince this in our mortar. If you have like those canned store-bought jar ginger, use that, about a tablespoon, but I used fresh one here. Just mash this until it's like minced like so, and we are going to add this in our onion that is frying on the side. This is like our aromatic, and trust me, ginger and garlic in this bean, oh my goodness, is the must. So we are going to add this and then saute for just about 30 seconds to a minute. Ginger and garlic do not take time, and I'm going to add a little bit of water in my mortar just to collect all delicious flavor and smell, you know, nothing waste here, and add a little bit of that water back in the pan. And then again, you're going to saute, cook this, stirring occasionally, and we are going to go ahead with our after 30 seconds or a minute, we go ahead with our canned tomato. I'm using plumbed peeled tomato. You can use chopped if you have, but then I'm going to, with the help of my spatula, chop this whilst it's already on the pan. This is just, you know, one of those days where you don't want to do the most, okay? So we are using canned stuff. Once it's nice and mashed like that, we are going to fry this. Now this is what will make your sauce. You need to fry your tomato until it looks like this. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but trust me guys, be patient. It has to look like this, bright red, and you can start seeing oil or around it bubbling. That is the secret, and that's what will make your sauce. So take time, 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. So in we go with curry powder. Everything I'm using, I'm going to list them down below the full recipe, so just check the description box guys. Okay, so we've added in curry powder, salt, and now I'm adding in black pepper. Those are my flavorings. Mix them in well, and then just fry them for another 30 seconds just to heat them up so that all those flavor can develop. In goes with our black beans, and then we have drained the canned black bean, and then we are going to mix this well until everything is well combined. After, we are going to go ahead and pour in our liquid, and it's the coconut cream. This is coconut milk guys. This one, oh my goodness, this elevates your black beans. Oh my goodness, you'll end up with a creamy and delicious and coconutty black beans guys. And then we are going to use vegetable stock. I love this Knorr vegetable stock. You can use the liquid one, but I use this jelly one, and follow with a little bit of more water. You can add in water as you like, how you like your beans to be saucy, or you like your sauce to be a little bit thick and less. It's up to you. This is like my favorite, just as I see here, this is how I like it. Okay, and now I'm tasting salt or pepper and adjust to your liking. Bring it to your boil and cover and simmer. Reduce heat, and then we are going to simmer this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, oh my goodness, and if you have time, you can even simmer this for longer guys on a very low heat. But here you have it. This is one of our favorite dish in this house, especially my children. They really love these beans, and I hope you're inspired and you will give this method or recipe a go. And as I said, the full recipe is down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up until now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and all that good stuff. Until next time guys, bye.